for this.
Rich rock.
You better fit. Our face too hot, them can't keep up with it. Everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody.
Hello, me ain't no bag of arms.
I think I got it. Welcome back to the show. Now, what does it take to build a champion today? We're going behind the physiques and beyond the poses. There you go. All right. And we're looking ahead to the Mayberry Jabfa National Bodybuilding and Fitness Championship. With us now is Master Bryan Campbell. We also have Dr. Naima Stemeth, and we also have Johnny McCarthy. Welcome to Daytime Live.
Yes,
you
man.
see that pose there?
Yeah, the pose. You know, once you have it, you just have to, you know.
I think I got it.
All right. So for viewers who may be unfamiliar with Jabfa, what is its role in Jamaica's bodybuilding and the fitness community?
All right, so Jabfa is the association that mandates the competitions for bodybuilding and fitness in Jamaica, and we have several competitions. We have the junior and novice, or first timers, and then we have the national championships. Yeah.
So what's the criteria to making it for the national championship?
All right, so persons who can just train and enter the national championships, but it's advised that you first enter the juniors and novice. So you get more experience, you get a lot of information, you understand how to periodization your workout and your eating.
So I see the models, they're very lean, right?
Yes.
What does it take to look like that? Because right now, I have a December goal, right?
Yeah.
So,
Too late.
You know
No,
what?
it's not. Actually, it's not.
Let's not talk about Paris. Yeah, me and you are talking.
It's not too late. To be honest.
What does it take to look like
All right,
these?
so dedication and consistency. Consistency means that you get up and you do your training. Of course, you have days that you do less because they're competitors. There's no day off. There are rest days, but they're still going to do a little thing. And then the eating is very, very important. So up to this point, the food that they eat, you wouldn't eat that.
No, I doubt it.
You
know what I have for breakfast? 2 chicken patty.
No.
See,
Because
they have to be, they have to take out some things out of them diet right now.
Yeah.
Right? It's low fat, very, very low fat. Not too much salt, or if any at all. And the water is less right now because you need to pull the water out of your system so you can show the cuts for bodybuilding.
Oh, so you eat less water.
Yes.
What
Show it to him, man, Johnny.
And she is
Yeah, Johnny.
yeah, so she does 2 competitions. She's doing bikini fitness and fit model. Fit model is our latest competition where we have 2 rounds, one with the full body bikini and one with the dress, like the model. So that's the latest competition that we have.
No.
And he's entering classic bodybuilding, regular bodybuilding, and masters, because masters is over 40 for men and over 35 for women. So she can enter too, because believe it, yes or no, she's over 35.
I was going to say, you say over 40, and
For
Johnny
me.
over there looking like,
Yeah.
listen to me,
Yes.
honey. We're going to talk after the
Yes.
show.
So
No.
both of them qualify for masters.
You spoke about the cuts and physique and all of that.
Yes.
How long does it take working with the diet, and you said the dedication? How long does it take for you to get your body looking like that?
All right, so I really can't put a time on it. Why? Because it's up to the individual. How hard you work out, how consistent you are, how good you eat, how much rest you get. So the person that is going to do that will see better and more results quicker than somebody who is falling off. But it takes dedication. That's what I can say. It takes dedication.
Serious
believe
dedication.
me. That's why I'm not a bodybuilder. Not that I'm not dedicated, but
That's why you are the master.
yeah, it's hard work, and I watch them go through it, and I'm there with them. And we have to big up all the bodybuilders in Jamaica because we have a lot of them that are going to the international show and becoming pros.
Yeah.
Pro bodybuilder.
Speaking of the international show, what details can you share with us about the competition that's coming up?
All right, so of course, you know, it's called the Mayberry Jabfa competition because they are the title sponsors.
Yeah.
And the competition is proving to be very, very, very exciting. You know, we want to let everybody know that they should come out and support the competition. We have a few sponsors that are dedicated to us, some of them from day one. And it's the kind of competition where we have different categories on display, bodies on display. You know, it encourages individuals to have a better lifestyle in terms of your eating, your exercise, and getting your rest. You know,
He's
and
draping me up though.
Huh?
I feel like you're draping me up, man.
No, but I mean, it's for your own health and longevity, right?
All right.
Right?
I want to see some, give us a taste of the competition. The models, I want to see what kind of poses, walks, or
All right.
Johnny
So,
takes
what
off
are
the
they
shoe.
looking for?
yeah,
What
man,
are
I'm ready.
judges
I'm ready for competition a long time ago. All right. So let me just start with
Already. Oh, there you go.
If you don't stop
Throws
it, I
it
will
one
take off
side.
shoes and everything.
All right. So, yeah.
All right, Dr. John. All right.
Johnny already.
Yeah, man.
Elite trainer.
So for the judges, as co-judge, as chief judge, for the judges, this is what we call the quarter turns first, because they have mandatory pose. But the quarter turns first is the front pose, and we usually say quarter turn to the right, so you're showing the body from all angles to make sure that there's balance and symmetry, right? And then after balance and symmetry, you start look for the cuts them and everything now. Quarter turn to your right. So you're showing front, side, back, and then the other front. And then, of course, after that, we go through the different poses, mandatory poses. Quarter turn to your right.
Okay.
All right, so in the interest of time, just face forward and we'll just do 2 poses. Front double bicep. All right, so front double bicep, we still judge it as an overall pose. We're looking at the bicep, but we're looking at balance. Symmetry means that balance means that your right side must look like your left side. Both sides is bigger than. And then symmetry is now that the upper body matches the lower body. You know, there are different competitions that kind of allow for different things still, like physique and stuff.
All right, let's look at Dr. Naima now.
Yes.
And the poses for the
And
Right,
there
and she
she
does the walk
goes.
because the walk is a part of it.
Right.
Ah.
Right, nice graceful walk. Right, and
So the same
the same
requirements in
quarter
terms of-
turns. They
right.
all do quarter turns because judges have to view the body from different angles. Right, and we still look on balance and symmetry.
Right.
We are looking also on performance for her because it's a fit model competition. So we have to look at how you move. We have to look at the body, you know, and of course, you see she's smiling, so
Yeah.
she's enjoying
So the
herself.
smile,
I can't tell her that.
looking
wow.
really,
All right.
nice.
Yes. So,
Go on,
yeah,
Sean.
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you know, no competition for the big belly man them.
Hey,
We can't help them, you know.
I'll send
trust me,
Power
we can't
and
help
Rich
them.
with
Kinda
you.
style.
We have had persons with big belly who became competitors
became
because
yeah.
because
So
they
there's still
work
hope for you.
hard
There's still hope.
and train. You are a mess of a you know, so we call that lazy.
Me, yeah. I just start.
You can't do anything you want. The body type is an athletic body type.
I've been told many times if I've asked many
Yeah,
times
but-
if I'm a bodybuilder, I can play rugby.
Yeah.
I'll
Talk
That's
to me.
natural.
Oh, can I, the modeling part of it.
You could do what we call, you could train for what we call, you could do body fitness. You could do wellness too
All
because
right.
you have thighs.
Well.
So if you work on that, you can do.
There we go.
Two
I'll get my
categories we
training
identify
on.
right away.
I'll get my training on. But be
two
sure to
categories.
come out this Saturday
Yeah.
and support Jamaica's bodybuilding and fitness athletes at the Mayberry Japfa National Championships.
Yes.
We're taking a quick break, but don't you go anywhere. There's more coming up on Daytime Live.